All right, let's pop the hood on a problem that I think we've all dreaded at some point. That terrible moment when you turn the key and your car just won't start. But what happens next inside a professional workshop isn't some kind of magic. No, it's a master plan. And today, we are going to break it all down.
Oh, you know that feeling, right? That awful dead silence, the sinking feeling in your stomach. For most of us, it's just pure frustration. But for a professional technician, well, that's the starting bell for a very methodical process. So let's take a look at exactly how they turn that chaos into a solution. You see, their master plan really breaks down into 4 key stages. You've got the pre-flight check, then they become an electrical detective. After that comes the surgical fix, and it all wraps up with the final sign-off. This is the playbook for turning a massive headache into a solved problem.
So first up is Section 1, Preparation, what we're calling the pre-flight check. This is all the critical groundwork that absolutely has to happen before a single tool even gets picked up.
The first moves here are all about gathering intelligence. Seriously, it starts with getting the story from the customer. Then, the technician hits the books. They consult the official manufacturer procedures. There's no guesswork allowed. Only then do they actually plan their attack and, most importantly, identify every single potential hazard.
And that safety step, it is no joke. Technicians are dealing with high-voltage systems and enough electrical current to cause serious harm, especially to someone who might be wearing something as simple as a wedding ring. This is exactly why managing the specialized gear and wearing the right protective equipment isn't just an afterthought. It is step 1 every time.
Okay, with all that groundwork laid, it is time for diagnosis. This is where the technician basically becomes an electrical detective and the real investigation gets underway.
Now, the goal here is incredibly simple, but it is so critical. Do not guess. A pro uses a systematic process, testing and eliminating possibilities, to hunt down the one exact root cause of the problem. This is all about evidence, not assumptions.
And of course, every good detective needs their toolkit. For an auto tech, that means a multimeter to measure the basic properties of electricity, a scan tool to actually talk to the car's onboard computer, and an oscilloscope, which gives them a much deeper look at what's going on.
You know, the real game changer here is the oscilloscope. A simple multimeter might tell you, yep, there's 12 volts in this wire, but an oscilloscope shows you the quality of that signal. The EKG analogy is perfect. It lets the technician literally see the electricity so they can catch these tiny glitches or drops in the signal that a simple number would completely miss.
And this right here is the heart of the process, captured perfectly in the official procedure. Analyze the test results, identify the cause, and, if you need to, run more tests. This shows it's not just about turning a wrench. It's a real intellectual, analytical process of solving a puzzle.
So what are these detectives actually hunting for? Well, a lot of the time, it's a culprit like high resistance. You can think of that like a clog in an electrical pipe that's choking the flow of power. Or maybe it's something as simple as a loose wire, a corroded connection, or even a more devious suspect, like a faulty ignition coil that's only failing when it's under pressure.
As soon as the detective work is done and the cause is 100% confirmed, they don't just start ripping things apart. First, they report their findings and lay out a very specific repair plan. That way, everyone, the customer, the shop, knows exactly what the problem is and how it's going to get solved.
And this table just brilliantly illustrates the real skills that are at play here. Reading isn't just reading text, it's decoding incredibly complex wiring diagrams. Numeracy is about calculating electrical values on the fly. Technology means mastering these super advanced tools, and planning is all about putting those pieces together to solve the puzzle.
All right, now that the problem has been properly identified, we move from diagnosis to the actual repair. This is the surgical fix. It's time for a very precise operation.
And just like the diagnosis, the repair follows a really strict protocol. The tech goes right back to the manufacturer's specs, the blueprint, selects the exact right tools and parts, and then executes that repair with precision. But it doesn't just end there.
Because the final step of the repair itself is more testing. This is absolutely non-negotiable. It is the only way to prove for sure that the original fault is gone, and, just as important, that the fix didn't accidentally cause a new problem somewhere else. It's the quality control that makes the job truly complete.
Okay, so the car starts, the problem's solved, we're done, right? Well, not quite. We're now at the final stage, completion. And for a professional, there's a final sign-off procedure that has to be followed to the letter.
This means carrying out a final inspection of the entire vehicle.
leaving the work area absolutely spotless, taking care of all the old parts and materials properly, and then the final piece of the whole puzzle, completing the documentation. You see, that's the difference between just fixing a car and providing a truly professional service.
So why is the paperwork so important? Well, because it creates a permanent, professional record of the job. It details what was found, what was fixed, and exactly how it was fixed. This is vital for the customer's own records, and it's essential for the workshop's quality control. It is the final stamp that says, this job was done right.
So there you have it. We've gone on a whole journey here. We started with that moment of frustrating silence when you turn the key, and we followed it all the way to a methodical solution, one that's guided by a clear and professional plan. I think the real takeaway here is that professional auto repair has nothing to do with guesswork or luck. It is a highly disciplined system that's built on a foundation of deep technical skill, an unwavering focus on safety, and just absolute surgical precision. And that kind of leaves us with a final thought to chew on. Our cars are, let's face it, becoming rolling computers. As they get more and more complex, the need for these highly skilled electrical detectives is only going to grow. So the real question is, who are going to be the ones to solve the even more complex automotive puzzles of the future?